The HX650FQ can also slitting and rewinding self-adhesive paper. Based on the 650 thermal paper slitting machine, with added accessories and workstations. This is different from a basic thermal paper slitting machine. It has a dedicated web guiding station. If you want to cut both thermal paper and self-adhesive labels, you could consider this machine. We welcome inquiries and purchasing from business owners.